Hello, and welcome to Davis Chevrolet. This is a pre-owned 2015 Dodge Ram 1500 Longhorn Limited Eco Diesel Crew Cab 4x4 in red. Some of the features included in your new pre-owned Dodge Ram 1500 Longhorn Limited are automatic windows, heated power adjustable and power folding side mirrors, driver's seat memory, automatic headlights with fog lights and area lighting, Bluetooth ready, cruise control, remote start, push button ignition, AM, FM and Sirius XM radio, navigation, backup camera, dual zone climate control, AC, heated and cooled front seats, heated steering wheel, park assist, universal home remote, power sliding sunroof, power sliding rear window, box liner, leather interior, heated back seats, and enough space to comfortably seat 5, with room for storage. That's right, there's a lift kit. So don't miss out on your new pre-owned Dodge Ram Longhorn Limited. Hurry in to Davis Chevrolet and book a test drive with one of our knowledgeable product specialists today.